Let's learn olfactory nerve. The basic concept is cranial nerve is a cable wire. It inseeth many wires within, which actually works as functional components. It is one-man army having only one functional component, that is a spatial somatic afferent SSA. Only functional component which receives sense of a smell from a spatial soma, that is olfactory placode, which is an ectodermal thickening. Olfactory nerve carry a smell in three steps: first order neuron, second order neuron and third order neuron. Before starting any work, we chant Om. So first order neuron is Om. That is first step. It starts with the olfactory receptor, which is a bipolar neuron present in the olfactory epithelium, and ends in mitral and tuft cell present in the olfactory bulb after crossing cribriform plate of ethmoid bone. Here we can see this is the nasal epithelium, and in the nasal cavity over the roof, here it is olfactory epithelium. Okay, where this bipolar neuron, which is the receptor, olfactory receptor neurons, which is a bipolar neuron, that it contains dendron and axon. Dendron, they work as cilia, columnar epithelium cilia, and it collect the odors or a smell and transmit with the axons, which is very large, and it passes through the cribriform plate of ethmoid bone and synapse with the mitral cell. Here is the mitral cell and tuft cell, which is a secondary neuron, which lies within the olfactory bulb. Now second order neuron or second step. What happened if there is only one man in our army? We can fight with corona. Mitro, fight with corona. Just look at our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. This is one man army. So second order neuron and second step, it starts with the mitro, that is mitral cell, present in the olfactory bulb. Here it is olfactory bulb, and where the mitral and tuft cell lies. And the second order neuron starts from here, and the continuation of this olfactory bulb is known as olfactory tract and ends in the primary olfactory cortex, that is the corona. It symbolizes corona through the lateral stria. Here we can see this is olfactory bulb, and then it will become olfactory tract, which ends in, this is the medial stria, and here it is lateral stria. Medial stria share information with each other, that is with the other opposite side fibers. Okay, and here it forms anterior commissure, and the lateral stria goes to the primary olfactory cortex. So second order neuron from mitral cell to the primary olfactory cortex. Mitro to corona. C for cortex, C for corona. Now third order neuron or third step, how we can fight with the corona? So corona meet with soap, and now the story ends. So start with the primary olfactory cortex. C for cortex and C for corona. Lies in the medial most part of the temporal lobe. And then this third order neuron then land into soap, that is septal area, olfactory tubercle, amygdala and piriform cortex. Here it is, here lies this is olfactory tubercle. This one is olfactory tubercle, and septal area, amygdala, all lies here. This one is amygdala. So from the primary olfactory cortex, It goes to the SOAP, that is septal area, olfactory tubercle, amygdala and piriform cortex. And finally ends in secondary olfactory area, that is the entorhinal cortex. So here the story ends. So what will be the summary? We start with chanting Om, and then one man army, that is Mitro, fight with Corona, and Corona plus SOAP, the story ends. So under these headings, we have to discuss that introduction, olfactory nerve, this is the first cranial nerve, and functional component, that spacosomatic afferent, olfactory pathway, all the three order neurons, and the clinical significance, that loss of smell is known as anosmia, and if there is no organic lesion but there is loss of smell, that is known as olfactory agnosia. Thank you.